Take a look at this beautiful 1969 Chevelle Malibu in a convertible drop top. We've had quite a few Chevelles in here this past 6 to 8 months, but not a lot of these come in convertibles. So if you're looking for a soft top Chevelle, here you go. This particular car, power steering, power brakes, powered by a 400 underneath the hood. I'll get into that a little bit later, let you know what the 400 has had done to it, some of the internals and what was done when it was rebuilt. And we'll fire it up so you can listen to it, hear how it sounds and runs. Very straight car, you can tell by the fit and finish of the vehicle. Doors fit nicely, luster of the paint is in great shape. The black is set off with that white stripe and then a white top. Very nice looking combination. See vinyl seats, horseshoe shifter, buckets up front. Again, look down the side of this car and see how straight it is. Nice Rally SS style wheels on it. Convertible top, like I said, is white and in very nice shape. It's also a power top. So a nicely equipped car besides. Come around to the back here, you can see the reflection in the trunk to get an idea what kind of luster that paint has. See the rafters in the ceiling and the ceiling fans. Bright work also very nice. Dual exhaust. Take a look down this side also, see how straight the car is. And you know when they're black, it's tough to make them look this smooth and flat. And this has been done very nicely. Let's take a look at the interior here a second too. So the vinyl's in nice shape. Center console. Dash has had an aftermarket stereo put in it. A little gauge cluster down there. Aftermarket steering wheel. Door cards are very nice. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures of this car, the engine bay, the trunk, the interior, any of those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now for some of that information on the engine, give you a little idea about this. Like I said, it's powered by a 400 small block that was bored 30 over, has Rhodes lifters, roller rockers in it, dark cast heads, Hedman headers, Edelbrock intake, 670 Holley carb, MSD ignition added underneath there. So again, if you want to check out that engine bay, check out that engine, uniqueclassiccars.com. The transmission, like as you can see, it's an automatic. It's a turbo 350 transmission with a 200 stall and shift kit. Does have a 12-bolt rear end, 308 gears. So this thing will go down the highway very, very nice. And again, car is in very, very nice shape. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Just kind of got an idea what's been done underneath the hood on it. You can see it starts easily. Has a nice little idle to it. Stock looking dash besides the aftermarket stereo. There's your power top switch. Gauges. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back seat. Hear this run, see how nicely that door closes. There you go, nice little rumble out of that 400. Beautiful car. This car would be great for your local cruise-ins, taking the shows, just that Sunday drive out with the top down. Again, check out all the pictures, underside, interior, trunk. The trunk is absolutely immaculate in this car also. Unique Classic Cars is where you can see those pictures. And or give us a call, 507-386-1726.